Hello everyone, I'm back again and today I'm going to teach you how to make stuffed cheese mushroom. This is a wonderful and unique recipe, so let's get started. For this recipe, I'm going to be using button mushrooms. We need to thoroughly wash the mushrooms and we need to make sure that we select mushrooms which are a little bigger in size because we need to do the stuffing. We need to remove the stem of the mushroom. This is how you can do it. Just turn it towards the right, left, and the stem will come out automatically. Don't throw the stems because we are going to use it later in the recipe. For this recipe we are going to use a stuffing, so just make sure that the mushroom is nice and hollow. In case there is the stem left, or there is a lot of flesh left inside, you can just scoop it out with the help of a small spoon. Look at this. Now when I removed the stem, a little part of the stem was still there, so I just got it out because it needs to be a little, we need to create a little cavity so that we can have the filling. Now these are the mushroom stems. I'm just going to pick the ones which are nice and neat and clean, and I'm going to finely chop them and use it in the recipe. So look at this. One by one I'm removing all the extra stuff from the mushroom because I want a little cavity there so that the filling can go easily inside. As you can see, I have just chopped the mushroom stems and I've kept aside. Everything is ready. Now let's get started with the preparation of the stuffing. Let's heat about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. To this I'm going to add in some cumin seeds, some jeera, and once it starts to crackle, I'm adding in some fresh green chilies, some fresh garlic and fresh ginger. Chop it up nice and fine because this is going to go into the stuffing, and you don't want big chunks to come into your mouth. And just fry it for about a minute till the raw smell of this ginger, garlic and green chilies goes off. If you don't want it to be very spicy, what you can do is you can de-seed the green chilies and then finely chop it. Let's add in a cup of finely chopped onions. We're going to fry these onions for about a minute or two till they are slightly changing its color. We don't want to have it, we don't want to make it completely brown. Just as it starts to change its color, we'll add in a cup of finely chopped tomatoes. I'm adding in a little bit of capsicum also. It's about half a cup, again finely chopped. Let's give this all as a nice mix. We'll add in some salt as well. To this I'm also adding in the stems of the mushroom because the mushroom is completely edible, so let's not waste the stems, throw it away. I've added that as well into the filling. We don't want all the veggies to be really sticking to each other. We wanted the veggies to be a little separated from each other. Let's add in some haldi powder, some turmeric powder, a little bit of red chili powder. I'm also going to add in black pepper powder to this, so adjust the chili powder accordingly. Don't add too much of chili powder because even black pepper is going to go in. Now I've just taken a slice of cheese, Amul cheese. You can use mozzarella cheese as well. This is what was available, so I've added a slice of Amul cheese and I'm just going to mix this up. Look at this. The cheese will automatically start to melt. To this I'm going to add in some fresh finely chopped spring onions. This will give a very nice flavor to the recipe. In case you don't have spring onions, it's okay. It won't change the recipe to a huge extent. Now let's add in some fresh black pepper powder. Give this a nice mix and just turn off the gas. We don't want to cook the spring onions too much. So let's start with the filling. Just take one of the mushroom and start filling in. Be very careful because the mushrooms are really delicate. They can just break. So just be very careful at this time. That's about it. We'll need to fill in all the mushrooms nicely with the stuffing, just like the way I have done. And now let's add in some cheese, because these are stuffed cheese mushrooms, so we need to have a good amount of cheese into it. Again, I have just taken some cheese slices and I have just broken them into small pieces, and I'm going to stick this over each mushroom, like just try to fit it on top of each mushroom. So it's just falling down. Basically we need to cover the top of the mushroom with the cheese, so that when it starts to melt, it just covers everything from top. So yeah, I didn't show you in the video, but yes, I have cut the cheese pieces even more, and see how I have placed them all. Now in the same pan, let's take a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil. Heat this up, and in the pan goes the stuffed mushrooms. Let's start placing them one by one into the pan. This is a superb starter dish, guys, and trust me, when you serve this hot, it tastes really amazing. I hope you have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do go ahead and subscribe. So I've just placed the mushroom, I have put the lid, and I'm just going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. Keep the flame on medium, don't keep it on low, don't keep it on high, because the mushroom leaves a lot of water, and if it leaves too much of water, or it'll get very difficult for us to get it back. So this is it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Look at this, the cheese is completely melted, it's covered the top of the mushroom, the little sauce has come down, and the stuffed cheese mushrooms are ready to be served. But yeah, we are missing something. What are we missing? Some fresh coriander leaves. So let's add them up. It's really tempting and yummy dish, guys. Do make it. Let me know if you like the recipe. Look at this. Isn't it amazing? Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much. Enjoy, guys. Bye bye.